Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Nogja and our topic is installing Windows 10 IoT Core on Raspberry Pi and my teammate is Omkar Salvi. Next, introduction. So, Windows 10 IoT Core is a version of Microsoft's Windows 10 operating system and has been optimized for smaller devices that can run on either ARM, Advanced RISC machine. These devices can run with or without a display device. When we talk about different IoT devices, the processor type needs some explanation. Windows 10 Desktop has more supported device than Windows 10 IoT Core. Windows 10 Desktop has more supported drivers than Windows 10 IoT Core. It is also very useful if you plan on utilizing something like UWP to write your application. Windows 10 IoT Core can be downloaded and installed for the IoT dashboard running on your computer or laptop, which we will learn later on in this article. After installation of Windows 10 IoT Core, OS just power on the Raspberry Pi board and your board will automatically connect to your network and then to your Windows PC. You can write customized application in Visual Studio, and when you are ready, your code will be pushed down to the board and can be debugged remotely. Materials used in installation of Windows IoT Core. Hardware requirements: Raspberry Pi 2 or above, 8 GB or larger, SD card reader, HDMI cable, 5V 2A micro USB power supply, HDMI monitor, mouse and USB keyboard, software apps, Windows 10 IoT Core dashboard. Steps to install 10 IoT Core. Step 1. To begin, we will first need to download and install the Windows 10 IoT Core dashboard. To download this, we need to go to the Windows 10 IoT Core website available in the link. Next, install it into your PC. Insert your SD card into the computer or laptop's SD card reader and check the driver letter allocated to it. For example, G in G drive. You will need to know this to ensure that you are formatting the correct drive, as you don't want to be doing this in any important data. Step 3. Now that you have inserted your SD card into your computer laptop, you will need to run the Windows 10 IoT Core dashboard software. If you can't find easier after installation it, then try searching in the search box. Then with the software loaded up, we need to go into the step set up a new device screen as shown in the below picture. Press set up a new device. Further, Omkar will continue.
Step 5. We have to set up our device. Open the dashboard and click on set up a new device from the left panel of the dashboard. If you have a Microsoft account, then sign into it, else click on skip this step. Step 6. On here, you will want to set your device name and set the administration password. Make sure that you set the password to something you can remember easily but is secure, as this password is what you will use to connect to your Raspberry Pi. Step 7. Once the software has finished downloading and installing Windows 10 IoT Core for the Raspberry Pi, we can proceed on towards the further step. Step 8. After flashing is finished, remove the SD card from your PC and put it in your Raspberry Pi board. Connect the Raspberry Pi with monitor using HDMI cable and power it on. It will take few minutes to set up the Windows. Follow the instructions displayed on the monitor. Step 9. Now you will see the Windows 10 IoT Core device homepage as shown below. You can find some important information on this page like IP address of the Pi, connected devices, etc. This one-time setup using monitor is finished. Now you can control your Raspberry Pi using IoT dashboard in your laptop. Here are some features of Windows 10 IoT. Windows 10 IoT has a vibrant community with lots of sample code and projects, so you can learn how to work with the hardware to bring your prototype to life. Windows 10 IoT Core is an industry grade and robust. Being a version of Windows 10, it has enterprise proven security and is easy to scale. It provides instant Azure connectivity using your own custom hardware, or you can choose from hundreds of standard market ports, and you can develop your own custom IoT solution, whether you just want to build something for fun or looking to build a commercial product. Here are some more features of Windows 10 IoT. IoT CRT 140 adds CRT binaries required feature in all images. IoT Unified Write Filter, it adds Unified Write Filter to protect physical storage media from data writes. IoT USB FN class extension adds USB function WDF class extension for USB function mode support. IoT onboarding app. It provides a mean of setting up the device Wi-Fi connection if no other Wi-Fi profile was configured. It places the Wi-Fi adapter into a soft AP mode so a phone or other device can connect to it. IoT MTP adds media transfer protocol support. The last one, IoT Miracast RX app, it adds Connect app that supports Miracast receive feature. Note that the underlying HW drivers should support Miracast for this app to work. Currently supported for ARM only. Thank you.